In this video, I'll guide you through how to attach files and folders in a shared Google Drive link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a link, set the right permissions, and share it confidently in email, chat, or anywhere else you need. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. This could be anything: a single document, a PDF, a group of photos, or an entire project folder. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct item so you don't accidentally share the wrong file. When you've found the file or folder, move your mouse over it and right-click. A menu will appear next to your cursor. From that menu, look for the option that says Get Link and click on it. This opens a small sharing window, usually in the middle of the screen, where you can control who can access your link and what they're allowed to do. Now it's time to set the access permissions. This part is important because it determines what other people can do with your file or folder when they open the link. In the sharing window, you'll see a section that shows who currently has access. There will also be a drop-down that usually says something like restricted or anyone with the link. If you want to share only with specific people, you can keep it restricted and add people manually by email. But if you want a simple, shareable link for things like Gmail, chat, or other platforms, switch it to anyone with the link. After you've done that, choose the permission level from the options: viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer is the safest and most common choice. It allows people to open and read the file or view the contents of a folder, but they can't change anything. Commenter is helpful when you want feedback on a document, but you still want to protect the original content from direct edits. Editor gives full control. People can change the file, move it, or even delete items in a folder, so use this only with people you fully trust or on collaborative projects where editing is expected. Once you've selected the right permission level, you're ready to copy the link. In the same window, you'll see a button labeled Copy Link. Click that, and Google Drive will copy the sharing link to your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the screen, but the link is now ready to paste. Now open the place where you want to share it. This could be a new email in Gmail, a message in a chat app, a document, or even a calendar invite. Click into the message or text field, then paste the link using your usual paste command. You'll see a long URL appear. If you're in Gmail or many modern chat apps, it may automatically show up as a neat Drive preview, which makes it easier for others to recognize and open. Before you send or post your message, quickly think about whether the permissions you set match what you want people to do. If you're not sure, you can always go back to Google Drive, open Get Link again, and adjust the access settings. That's all there is to it. You've opened your file or folder, grabbed a shareable link, set the right access level, copied it, and shared it wherever you need.